inner strength lasts through every heat and every cold, through old age and beyond.
Hi, it's your boy ArcherPerezz, back at it again with a new video. And how's everyone doing it? Today, we're gonna unbox HyperX DDR4 Predators. Let's go! From the get-go, packaging palang undeadly na tignan. I got the 32GB kit and it can be clocked up to 3200 MHz. When you open it up, the deadly predators are contained in plastic containers so it can be delivered safely, preventing any damage. Ganda na pagka-package niya. It also comes with a guide and HyperX sticker. The front design of the aluminum heat spreader is deadly, napakaangas. And also at the top, the RGB light bar can be addressable via Asus Aura, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and MSI Mystic LED. It's also XMP ready, and in installation, make sure your PC is completely off without any power. Open the latch of the RAM slots, align the teeth of the RAM to the slots, and push it in on both ends until you hear a click. And lastly, enjoy the light show. And before the video ends, I would love to give a huge shout out to our friends from Kingston and HyperX for this awesome goodie bag. We also got, aside from our Predators, we also got the big boy himself, Kingston, 2 sports towels, an eco bag from HyperX, Kingston lanyard, and also we're gonna be doing an unboxing as well on this Kingston M.2 really soon. But yeah, this is not a sponsored video, but we did get awesome discounts. Soon we're gonna get sponsors. Hopefully, hoping, dreaming, to fuel our future unboxing review videos. Law of attraction, baby! I really love how it turned out, kaya sobrang hyped ako and excited to use it to its max potential, and I don't have to worry about anything anymore in terms of RAM. And I hope you guys got something from this video. Kung natapos nyo tong video na to, i-comment nyo, Predator! But hey, don't forget to check out my socials, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and also my game streams at Twitch. Everything is at /ArcherPerezz. But that's it, guys. It's your boy ArcherPerezz signing out, and see you guys in the next one.